Drew Slousky, Certified Arborist and Vice President of Giroud Tree and Lawn. Standing here looking at a cherry tree that I worked on for a long time. Unfortunately, one time when I didn't, someone cut the tree back. I'm going to try and show you close-ups. This was a tree that was cut back in the middle of the summer, which is the worst time to cut a tree back, and they just kind of stumped it back. We've been fertilizing it to keep it alive, and eventually this tree is going to have to be removed because there's so much damage. You can see all the damages on the top sides where the sun hits. That's called sun scald, and really bad.